This is a conical hill, this is a butte, this is a mesa, this is a plateau. Okay, let's start. The reason why I say this is a conical hill is because of there is no cap rock at the top, and it is look like a hill by itself. It just looks like a hill. The second one is a butte because of the shape, because of the big, it is small, it is actually small compared to mesa and plateau. Mesa is the second largest one, and plateau is the largest of all, it's the largest one. Okay, at the plateau, people can stay, people can do a forestry, people can also do agriculture. Plateau support biodiversity. Plateau support biodiversity. I hope you can see the green there, the green there, the green there, the green there. Yes, plateau can support biodiversity. Mesa is actually a mountain, while the plateau is where people can really stay. Yes, people can stay at the plateau, but at the mesa people can't stay for long because of it is actually a mountain where there is a less supportive for people's needs. At the plateau, at the mesa, a good example for mesa is a Table Mountain. Table Mountain is a good example for a mesa. Then butte, it is too small, it is too small, it is too small. It got its cap rock, but it is too small for the use, yes. The conical hill. Okay, now I will show the importance of each feature. The importance of conical hill. Conical hill, it is very fertile soil. It got fertile soil. This shaped cone, it is made out of a rich soil or fertile soil. People can use this feature to, they can take the soil from it as it is fertile and do planting, agriculture planting. You can see this feature represent that this feature is very rich by itself. Then at the butte, it says butte is a landform that is distinctive and provide insight into our geological history. I say that butte is a distinctive landform that brings insight in a geological history. In terms of erosion process, I say that the buttes helps understand erosion patterns and the effects of weathering on rock formation. These buttes I hope you can see the shape of buttes, that is like almost C. Yes, so these buttes is help us to understand the challenge of weathering, how weathering challenges. Okay, the top rock called cap rock protect the top, and during the rainfall the body, it has no protection, so the water erodes, or the water, chemical water, erodes the body. That's why it is almost C. That's why it is almost C. It's because of the water cannot fit at the top but at the body. Okay, let's come to mesa. I said that at the mesa, I hope you can see these lines there. Okay, during the rainfall, the water runs from the top to down, so it makes some points where the water was running due to erosion and due to water erosion and weathering. The temperature of the sun and the chemical weathering causes the rock at the soft layers to crack. These are the cracks caused by the chemical weathering. Okay. Plateau. Let's come to our other plateau. Plateau, it is very, very much rich. According to our scientists, they suggest that plateau can support unique ecosystem and biodiversity with specialist plant. They say that this plateau can support biodiversity with specialized plant. They said that this unique feature can support our biodiversity with a unique plants, specialized plants and animal species. Okay, for example, in terms of animal species, they talk about the animals that almost live at the mountains. Yes. Then habitat diversity. In terms of habitat diversity, plateau can provide a range of habitat from grassland to forest, supporting a wide variety of plant and animal life. I hope that is clear. Plateau can provide a range of habitat from grassland to forest, supporting a wide variety of life, animals, and plants. Okay, let's come to conical hill. This conical hill, the conical hill, it is very, very much important. Conical hill, a conical hill, a conical hill, a conical hill. Conical hill can be a conical landmark. Okay, this conical hill, it is very unique, so it can be a conic landmark, providing a sense of place. Provide a sense of place. Since it is special, it can provide a sense of place. So can somebody connect that? Oh, this place is where? Because this feature is not found everywhere. It can also bring tourist attraction. It can also attract tourists. So local community can be recognized and admired due to this feature. Due to this big feature. Structural integrity. Cape Rock at the Butte. Cape Rock at the Butte provide additional stability to the mountain, reducing the risk of landslide and rockfall. But the importance of Cape Rock, it decreases the landslide and rockfall. Okay, now let me show how I got all the information. I used grade 11 textbook to gather the information. In terms of geological significance, habitat diversity builds can support unique ecosystem and biodiversity with species, plant and animal. Okay, they said that these builds can also support species and plants. Okay, now thank you for attention and time. For your attention and your time. Thank you very, very much. Thank you very much. I got this information from Google. I got this information from Google. So these features, I got these features from grade 9. Okay, remember this blank replaced the plane. Thank you.